sounds a little... No, don't clean your butt right now, it's okay. You ready? You ready? Hey guys, it's Vicky and Charlie and Ozzy. If you can't tell by my voice, it sounds like I'm hitting puberty or something. Yeah, I've been sick. So today I have a little bit of an interesting, different kind of video. I'm gonna be letting my dogs pick out my vintage outfit and therefore dressing me for the day. This is gonna be interesting. It's a trend that's been going on for quite some time now. Like, my dog picks my makeup, my dog picks my outfit. And so I thought I would do it. And I haven't seen anybody do my dog picks my vintage outfit. So I think this should be kind of interesting. It's a stupid video. Yes, I know. I promise it's not, because I've run out of ideas for content to create. I have many things I want to do, and those things are coming, but I've been sick. So I wanted to do something fun and make it about vintage style, but also include my dogs in it, because apparently you guys really love my dogs, and apparently YouTube thinks that this is a dog pet channel by the recommendations that they put on my channel. I mean, they categorize me as a channel next to like Dodo and these other dog channels. Yes, I do dog videos on here, but that's not like the only thing. It's always really been a lot about Disney and style and makeup. Yeah, who understands how YouTube works? You guys like my dogs better than me, which I'm totally fine with, and I gotta give you guys what you want. So yeah. Charlie and Ozzy are gonna take turns. They're gonna pick my outfits, and we shall see how this goes. It could be completely awesome, and I'm gonna find out maybe that they are the greatest stylist in the world, or it could be a total disaster. We shall see. Okay guys, so I had to get ground level just to make it a little bit easier for him. Whoa, what was that? Something just flew by the window. What we're gonna be doing is, I have 5 items of each. Ozzy's already made himself. Ozzy, can we be present, please? This is very unprofessional. The people are waiting. Ozzy has already made himself very comfortable on my shirts, putting his big old dirty butt on them, but what are we gonna do about it? They're the stars here, so. I have 5 items laid out, and we're gonna start with the shirts. I'm gonna be doing the dog treat method, where you just take little pieces of a treat and you put them in front of each item, and whichever one the dog goes for first, that's the item that you get to pick. Just so you know that what we have here, we have a button-up tan button-up shirt, which has the folded sleeves on the side, very Indiana Jonesy feeling. A red and white polka dotted shirt, which Ozzy has decided to just sit in front of. A silk vintage shirt with these like flared up sleeves, cute as heck. We have a basic little off-the-shoulder ruffled blue shirt. And then we have a romantic blouse that is chiffon see-through. So, buddy, you have the honor of picking the first item. Why are you shaking? Are you nervous? You got this. Don't shake. It's gonna be okay. Get it. He picked the white one. Oh, and then the red one. All right, so he went for the white, silky, flowy blouse. Pretty good choice. Safe bet. I think we're on a good start. Now let's see what Charlie picks for the skirt. So up next, we have Charlie. I believe in you. Just so you know what we have to work with, we have a black A-line skirt over here that goes like just below the knee. And Ozzy has just decided to sit. We have a green tight skirt. We also have a red A-line skirt, a long, tight, brownish red skirt, and the blue, navy, and fuchsia plaid wool skirt, which Ozzy has just gotten dog hairs all over. It is not your turn right now. I know you think you are the star of this place, but you can just move over for a second and stop being a super big diva. Can we just give Charlie a chance to contribute? Charlie, sit, wait. See, at least Charlie waits. Ozzy's like all over the place. 10 years and I have never been able to show that dog a trick. And it's not because I don't have patience, because trust me, I try. He's just super stubborn. And, all right, Charlie, ready, set. I feel like he already has his eye. I have a feeling he's gonna go for the red one. He's just like eyeing that one. Oh, he's looking at the other one. All right, making decisions. Good boy. Go. He picked the plaid. Yay. And then he went for the rest of them. So moving on to shoes. So you know what we have for our options. We have some rounded black suede kitten heels over here. We have some slingback silk open-toed heels that are red. Should be interesting. We have some brown lace Oxford shoes, some Victorian era-ish looking boots, and some black flats with the tie-up ribbon around the ankles. Go, Ozzy. Oh, nice pick. Pretty interesting that he went all the way to that corner for those. So yeah, he went for the black suede rounded kitten heels over there. I'm pretty proud of you. Thank you for making Mama proud. You get an extra treat for that. Good boy. All right, Charlie, you're back in the game. Okay, so now for the hair or head accessories, Charlie is going to determine what I'm gonna do with my hair or put on my head. So we have the red bandana, which means I'll be doing a hairstyle with the red bandana. We have the black one. We have a hair rat, which means I'll just do a hairstyle with the hair rat. We have a purple-esque, grayish looking beanie, and we have a green hairy beanie. And go. He picked the hair rat. Huh, and now he's eating the rest. So hair rat style it is. For the very last part of this outfit, it's not exactly a clothing piece or accessory, but I thought why not let them pick my lipstick color too. We have Water Lily Blossom Red from Besame Cosmetics over here. We have Noir Red, which is a very dark burgundy color. We have Perfect Red from NYX. And then we have Ibiza, which is a very bright corally pink. And we have a soft pink on the end, which is Claire by Remy Rose. All right, come on, buddy. I believe in you. You can do this. I know it's hard. Picking a lipstick color can always be a little bit challenging and scary, but you can do it. I promise you. Come on, Ozzy. Come on. He's being totally weird about this. Maybe I'll try to put him a little bit more far away so he doesn't freak out about it. I don't know if it's because like the lipsticks are tiny and they scare him or something. I don't know what goes through this dog's head sometimes. The world is your oyster, buddy. You can pick whatever lip color you want. He like wants to go near it, but he's too scared and I don't know why right now. He doesn't want to pick it. Come on. Ozzy, you have 5 seconds. If you don't, I'm going to send in the sub and Charlie's going to come do your job for you. Do you want that? Go. Yay! Okay, he picked one. He finally did it. Good job, buddy! So the color that he ended up picking first was Water Lily Blossom Red by Besame. So that's the color we're going to do. Oh, now you touched the lipstick. Seriously, dude? He just licked the pink one over there. You are gross. Now he wants to eat the lipstick. It's a big decision, buddy. You did a good job. You picked a good one. That was surprisingly a lot harder than it should have been right there towards the end. I get it. Sometimes picking the lipstick color is the hardest part. Can't blame you, buddy. I mean, I did only have to lay out the snacks like 3 times because Charlie kept getting impatient and going for them, but that's okay. All right, so now all that is left for me to do is go change and reveal the outfit that the puppers picked for me. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with their styling skills. It's kind of funny because I would have never thought of pairing this shirt, which is a little bit more like dressy and flowy, with a kind of plaid wool schoolgirl skirt. So kind of interesting when you let your dogs dress you, the fun, surprising outfits you can discover. I mean, at least they did not pair the skirt with like the red polka dot shirt, which I honestly was like hoping that would not be a choice. They did Mama right. And I kind of love that Charlie went with the hair rat. Good choice, buddy. I had a lot of fun in bringing together the best of both worlds, puppers and vintage style. I can see this being a theme of videos in the future. If you like this video, subscribe if you think that Charlie and Ozzy are amazing stylists. And yeah, sending you all a super duper big virtual hug. Charlie and Ozzy do too. Oh, buddy, you're ready for your nap. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!